All right, so before we get into working with these horizontal intercepts and finding these zeros, we need a new theorem here. So this is the zero product property. So if I have two things, A and B, and I multiply them together, and when I do that, I get 0, then one of a couple situations has to be the case. So either A is equal to 0, right? So if A was 0, 0 times B is 0, or B is 0, so A times 0 is 0, or both A and B are 0. So we're going to go ahead and try this property out. I have y is equal to x minus 2 times x plus 4. So this would be my A, and this would be my B. Okay, so I'm going to take A and set it equal to 0. And I'll take B and set it equal to 0. And then I'm going to solve. So I'll add that 2 over. That gives me x equals 2. And here I'll subtract that 4 over. So I get x is equal to negative 4. All right, number 5. So I'm going to call this my A. I'll call this one my B. So I have 3x equals 0, or x plus 5 equals 0. And so to solve this one, I'll divide both sides by 3. So I get x is equal to 0 divided by 3, which is 0. And here I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. So I get x is equal to negative 5. Okay, the last one. Here is my A, and here is my B. So same deal, I'm going to set each one equal to 0 and solve. Okay, so I have 2x minus 3 equals 0. So 2x is equal to 3. So if I add that 3 over, and then if I divide by 2, I get x is equal to 3 halves. And over here, I get x is equal to negative 2. Okay. So we'll need that property when we take a look at the factored form on the next page.